What were you just saying? Who are you screaming at? Okay, who are you screaming at?
I'm scared you got a bug on your leg. Oh. Yes.
Oh, he needs some water from screaming. I don't know.
You cough, you okay? Hmm? It's still there? I'm not touching it. It's a real one. They're crawling. Yeah. Oh. I'm not eating that bug.
Come on, Daddy.
When you were in the tent? You're crazy, you know that? Oh. He's sitting on things backing up. Where do you get a rock from? Another one in a basket? Oh. Oh, in the container? I didn't know that. You're crazy, you know that? Are you crazy? Oh, I thought you were going to go head over. Oh, okay. I need some. Thought you can give me some lipstick. Other side. Not my chin, my lips. Thank you.
Okay. Mama. Sure. Thank you.
Oh, you found that one in your purse? Oh, your purse was dirty? Lipstick there did spill? It filled in your purse?
Finger too.
All over your fingers too? Oh, wow. Did you clean it? Yeah.
I clean it.
You cleaned your purse too or no?
I clean it.
Oh. What's that face? You know you're crazy. Party rockers. What you just dancing?
Yeah.
What you dancing to?
Oh, that one.
Which one?
That one.
Oh, that's what you were looking for earlier? Oh, other Play-Doh.
Lady, different Play-Doh right there.
Mm-hmm.
Is that old dried out Play-Doh right there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, right, Play-Doh.
I just found some on the counter too.
Let me see.
There's
Yeah.
Play-Doh everywhere in this room.
That's a little pile of garbage right there.
There's Play-Doh everywhere in this room.
Chihuahua. That's a different rock.
That one doesn't work?
That one works.
Chalupa? Which one's Chalupa?
The one with the chalupa sign in his mouth.
Oh. No?
Uh-huh. That one. The one you just had. You're right. He works. Squeeze him. There's only 2 that don't work.
Different one, Dada.
No, I don't think this one works.
That's one of them.
Different one, Dada.
What do you say? Happy New Year, amigos.
Doesn't work.
That's the other one that doesn't work.
You used to, didn't it say?
That one does.
No work.
The one that's, I think I'm, or that says,
I
wow.
think I'm in love. It's the one that used to say, I think I'm in love.
That's the one I thought.
Not working, Dada.
You could barely hear him.
What, this one, that one says something right there.
Cheese.
You got the cheese in your hand.
No,
Yes, you just put it back.
I want cheese. Different.
Which one cheese?
On my bread. On my bread. No cheese.
Bread with this dark bread or light bread?
Different. Different.
Which one?
Different.
Yeah, that's what I was asking.
A pickles.
That's for pretzels. That's exactly
A
right.
pickle, Dada.
Oh, okay.
A pickle.
Pretzels incarnate.
Pickle cornet. Pickle cornet. Pickle. Sushi, Dada. Yeah. Mama. Mommy.
Okay?
Mhm. Okay. Mhm. That cookie.
Good.
A cookie.
Do cookie.
A cookie.
Right.
A Play-Doh, Dada. Look.
There's still some in there?
Do you recognize those little containers?
No, different thing.
If I would say it's either Black Angus or...
Look. No more water. Look. Look.
There's no water in there?
No.
Are you sure?
Look.
No, there's none in there.
Oh, okay. We'll put some more in there.
What is that noise? What's that noise? You sound like a
Who makes
bird
that?
or a dinosaur.
Who makes that noise, Julia?
Yes.
What did they say?
Yeah, bird and the dinosaur.
Who makes that noise? Who cries like that? Juliana. Who cries like that? Mm-hmm.
You sound like a horse there.
No, Samba.
Simba, what's he do? Does he? Oh, cry baby Simba.
Come, baby Samba.
Mm-hmm.
Night.
Oops.
Don't drop it, Dada.
What do you need a knife? What do you need a knife for?
Cut this one.
Hmm?
Cut this one.
Where's the knife?
Oh, right there. Got it. Need find it. He got need find it.
Here you go. I got one.
How long do you think,
8 gig could record for?
yeah,
Don't know. It should tell you.
I don't have the
How much
display on.
time you have? Huh?
It just says recording. I don't have the display on.
Cut it, Dada.
That's the right way. No, other way. You had it the right way
Oh,
first
that
one.
way?
Mm-hmm. There you go. Oh, good job.
I'll take a little piece.
Piece for me. Thank you.
I'll put it. Don't eat it, Dada.
Huh?
No more Play-Doh.
Here, put it on this
No,
one.
no more Play-Doh.
What'd you say? Here.
No Play-Doh. Don't like it.
Don't eat it? Why?
Go.
This grows?
Don't eat it, Dada.
Oh, okay.
Can't Play-Doh. I cut it.
Mhm.
Die?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
She's so good with a
Don't
knife.
eat it, Dada. Don't eat it.
Oh.
I try it. Ugh. Different?
Let's see, different. That one good. Okay.
That's good.
Oh, okay.
That way?
Mm-hmm.
That way?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All the younger kids with the bumper kicks.
I try it. Good. I try it. That's good.
Salty.
Oh, okay, that way.
Mm-hmm.
I take a little piece. I got it here.
Mm.
That way.
Mm.
That way. Come on, little piece here.
Hey, that's the wrong way. That's the wrong way.
That way? I cut it some more.
Is it the right way?
No.
Yep.
You're so concentrated, Juliana. Excuse me.
That way. You just fart.
No. No.
Why'd you sniff afterwards?
It's in our food.
Nope.
Nope. Nope.
You told Daddy that you cleaned your ears?
I can handle it.
Did you?
What came out of it?
Whack.
Whack was in there?
Whack.
Was there a lot of whack?
Yeah, but I can't get it. Oh. Because I can't.
I pressed it in deeper. I should-
No, I just did the. I just brushed the outside.
Me. I call you, Dada. Hey, Play-Doh. I call you.
Good?
I like Play-Doh.
You like Play-Doh?
Mhm.
Mm-hmm. You need to pick some pajamas out, little girl, because it's getting kind of cold.
All the little citas with the other little citas.
That's so funny.
All the other citas with the other citas. You're such a faker.
No.
Yes. See? Oh, buddy. Oh!
Juliana, where does Candace live? Where does Agent P live? Do you remember? Where do they live? Disney World? You want to go there?
Little boy.
Yeah, little brothers there are there too, yeah. Phineas and Ferb are there too. You want to go there and see them?
Go see them. Daddy, go see them.
Where? Where are we going to go see him at?
Little boy.
At Walt Disney World?
Where at?
What's it called?
I know.
I just said it.
Disney World?
Walt Disney World?
Disney World? Oh, okay. You ready for some cornet? Huh? Ready, cornet?
Those little chunky legs.
Cornet, cornet. Here you go.
Are you going potty?
Oh, that's a big piece of cornet.
No, you're just making funny noises.
Mm-hmm.
Dada,
Yes.
I'm good, Dada.
Okay.
Need more?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Molly.
What the heck was that? You gave me that little piece?
No,
Was it bigger?
no.
Thank you. It's easier just to tear it than to cut it, huh?
Apparently.
That's some tender meat.
Mm-hmm.
Take the knife around.
What's that noise? What is that?
I know.
What's
What
that?
was that?
What was that noise?
Siren.
Siren? Other way, baby.
Other way.
Oh, that way?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, other way.
No.
Yes.
No, wait, Mama.
Other way, baby.
That way?
Yeah, that way.
Okay. Good, Dada. Be careful, finger, Dada.
Okay.
Be careful, Dada.
Just tell them every time you cut.
Oh.
Good, Dada. See that?
Is that good?
Good. Peace.
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 Peace. Piece.
P.
Piece. And a piece.
I'll try it too. Good? I'll try it. Look good.
Good.
I like it.
It's
I'll
tender.
make.
It's tender.
I'll make this one.
Try another bite.
What's that new bite?
Was it salty?
Like it?
It's good.
It's salty. Not salty. No, not salty. Not salty.
It was just right.
No, I want to try it.
Oh, that. Right. You gotta go get it.
I'll call back.
You look on the TV first to see who it is.
Okay, okay. Okay, I'll finish recording later. Bye, besitos. I love you. I love you. I love you.
I like it, Mama.
Okay, I'll turn it off.